Are you someone who is struggling to get most of your work done in less time? Are you confused when you really want to work in a day to get maximum impact? This is the video for you. Welcome to this brand new video. This is Ramesh, the productivity expert. In this video, I go deep into about BPT, biological prime time, how you can become super productive every single day using this technique. Biological prime time is a word coined in the book called Work the System by Sam Carpenter. What he told us, every hour is not equal in your day. Yes, every hour is not equal. A special time in your day, a biological prime time is a special time in your day where you have more focus, where you have less people in your environment, when you feel more energetic. Yes, in your day you have 17 hours of waking up time. In that time only 90 minutes to 2 hours, the maximum time of biological prime time is 2 hours in your day. If you find that biological prime time, so that you can create maximum impact in your life, and you don't need to work hard in order to become super productive. You don't need to work hard. Working hard and being busy is completely complement to become very productive in your life, right? The first step in order to find your biological prime time is take a part of the day. Please take one. It may be early morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Take one part in the whole day. My biological prime time is morning 7 to 8:30 morning time. I block that time. I never give that time to anyone. I block it my time, and I'm working on my creating more and more content like this. Yes. So first, take a part in a day. I believe, I hope you take some part. I have been working with a lot of people. So far, I've trained 3,000 plus people, right? I found that few people say that their morning time is their biological prime time. Some people said that evening time is their biological prime time. Some people said that midnight is maybe 10 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. is also biological prime time. So please pick one part of your day. I hope you pick it. The second step is, in that part of your day, take 90 minutes of your time where you are really energetic, where you feel really pumped up to start any work. If you start that work, if you start any work in that slot, you're more likely to finish it. Just take that 90 to 120 minutes block. And if you found that, just type in the comment box what is your BPT, so that I'll look into it, I'll review it, right? And so now you found your biological prime time. Now what you have to do is use that time and block your calendar for the rest of your life, at least for the next 30 days, and use it for your important activities. It may be learning new skills, learning new technologies, it may be improving your business, it may be improving your relationships, or working out, losing weight, or whatever it is. What is your most painful area? What's your most painful area you want to achieve results in your life? Just use this time to create more results in your life with less effort, right? Even if you don't find it, you can take version 1 of the biological prime time. Take one time, based on your past experience. Do it for 1 week and see if the results are satisfactory. If the results are really good and you're really enjoying it, continue that biological prime time. If you really don't like the results, just tweak your biological prime time, maybe increasing it to a different time, or maybe changing it to a different part, just to test this A by B split testing to find your right biological prime time, right? I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you really want to learn more about biological prime time and block your calendar, how to prioritize the things, how to become super productive in your life with minimum effort, without procrastination, distractions, and extra effort, I'm doing a live workshop on this kind of powerful frameworks called Super Productive Bootcamp. In that bootcamp, I'll show you a journey from a normal person to a productivity warrior in the next 4 steps, right? If you're really interested, click the link below, join my next bootcamp. And I can't wait for you to see you inside the bootcamp. This is Ramesh, the productivity expert. See you in the next video. Bye.